In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to Yahoo Mail. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. When the Yahoo homepage loads, look to the upper right corner and select Sign In. Follow the on-screen prompts to log in. You might be asked to verify your account. Just complete the steps shown and wait a moment for the sign-in to finish. Once you're signed in, you'll be back on Yahoo's homepage. Next, click Mail at the upper right to open Yahoo Mail. After your inbox loads, glance over to the right side of the screen for the Contacts area. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a contacts label or an icon that looks like a person. If you don't see it right away, try maximizing your browser window or zooming out slightly so the right sidebar is visible. Click Contacts to open your contact panel. Inside the Contacts panel, look for the three-dot menu, usually near the top of the panel. Click that menu to reveal more options, then choose Add a New Contact. This opens a form where you can enter the person's details. Begin by typing the contact's first and last name, then add their primary email address. The email field is the key piece that lets Yahoo suggest the contact when you're composing messages later. You can also include helpful extras like a phone number, job title, company, or a short note to remind you how you know this person. If they use more than one email, you can add additional addresses as needed. Take a moment to double-check spelling and make sure the email is entered correctly. Small typos can prevent the contact from appearing when you write an email. When you're happy with the information, click Save. You should now see the new entry appear in your contacts list. From now on, when you compose a message and start typing this person's name or email in the To field, Yahoo Mail will auto-suggest the contact so you can select it quickly. If the contacts panel doesn't open or the three-dot menu isn't obvious, try scrolling within the panel, ensuring your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, or refreshing the page and signing in again. Also note that the layout can look slightly different depending on your region or if you're using the classic versus the newer interface, but the steps are the same. Open Yahoo, sign in, go to Mail, open Contacts on the right, add a new contact, fill in the details, and save. That's all it takes to add contacts to Yahoo Mail. Simple, accurate, and ready to use.